quick unboxing and initial review of the Amiconson Pickleball Paddles. Not sure about the name, but I do like the fact that it comes all packaged in this box here. And this is a 4-pack. So if you're looking for a family paddle set, this would be a great option. At the time of this recording, this set has over 1,400, almost 1,500 reviews at a 4.5 out of 5-star rating. So what you're going to get are a total of 4 paddles, and then you get 8 of the pickleball balls, which are in the common yellow color. And then we got 4 more paddles down below, and then it has a carry case. So everything should be able to fit inside this, and you can go ahead and sling it over your shoulder if you like. So let's take a look at the paddles. I can already tell you one thing I'm not a fan of with pickleball paddles when they do this. Typically you see this on the beginners is when they put this safety strap, if you will. So the idea is that you put it here, so if you accidentally let go, but I think most people are going to grip the paddle without a problem. These are plywood paddles. You want to make sure that you don't let them, don't play with them in the rain. Don't leave them outdoors, those type of things, because it is wood and it looks like it's painted. It's got a nice branded piece to it. And I do have to tell you, I like this rope texture. I actually run this type of texture on my pickleball paddle, which I really like. It's got a little bit of grip, but the nubs kind of fit your fingers. So it gives you a little bit of extra grip, and then it's dimpled so that when it's warm out and you start sweating, you have some breathability in there. So I really like that. The paddles themselves feel pretty well balanced and lightweight. Don't see any build quality issues. They're all taped up. It's got a nice plug in the bottom, and of course the handle. These I would trim personally if I were going to use it. As far as a beginner set though, this is a great start. And these pickleballs are solid. I don't like the cheaper pickleballs that come in a lot of sets where you can kind of squish them. And these, you can play indoor or outdoor with these. As you advance, you'll find that people have preference for specifically indoor balls versus specifically outdoor balls. But if you're just starting out, you don't want to spend a lot of money on a full set for a family or for friends, this is a great way to start. I injured my ankle the other day, so I haven't been able to play with these, but once I get a chance, I'll do a follow-up review.